Okay, boss buddies, so we're back with part 2 of the video where I'm actually showing you guys how to do the unbasket platters that I was just telling you guys about. And hopefully you guys can see it. It's a lot of clutter around. This is the room that I work in, and it's stuff everywhere. Okay, I'm not going to get to explaining that, but this is a work room and it's disorganized at this time. I've tried to get it organized, and I have one side, but the side behind you is still unorganized. Okay, and it will be for some time until I finish working. But anyway, here is the platter that I have put together thus far. Okay, and what you'll see on this platter, this is just to give you maybe some ideas or examples of some things that you can use on a man's platter. And guess what, guys, this does not have to be a food platter. This can be a platter that they actually keep these items on after they unwrap their gift. They can keep their colognes on it, their toothpaste, toothbrushes, what have you. This is something that you can sit on the sink in the bathroom, or perhaps on the dresser in your bedroom. But this platter consists of, I have a pair of socks here, and I have a little truck that says "Let Love Grow." I hope you guys can see it. I have some little chocolates right here, and I have some some gift shred up under there, just to give it a little unique appeal. As if you would put it inside a basket. It's the same technique. Instead of it being a basket, it's just a platter. Here we have some herbal charcoal toothpaste, and we have a herbal charcoal toothbrush to go with it. Here we have a razor set. And what else we have? Oh, we have the cologne and lotion. And then in the back, we have the actual grooming kit, okay? Men's grooming kit. So as you turn it all the way around, it has gifts displayed all the way around. And now what we're going to do is show you guys how to wrap the basket up. Show you how to wrap it up. And then we're going to actually put a bow on it. Excuse all the rattling. But this is a shrink wrap bag, and we're just going to slip it right inside of the shrink wrap bag. Bear with me, guys. We're going to slip it right in there. Oh, let me tell y'all. The items, why you see they're not moving, I took my hot glue gun and I put a little bit of glue on the bottom of each item. And you can use tape as well. I did put tape in some places to just connect one item to the next item. Make sure you're using transparent tape so that you're not able to see it on the items. But that's why the items are not moving around while I'm doing this. And this is a great idea as well if you're going to be making gift baskets and shipping them. That way the item does not move. Try to adjust it some. So just pull your shrink wrap all the way snug. Get you a pipe cleaner or whatever it is that you tie your baskets off with. Okay. When you have all of this left, we're going to cut this off. Don't worry about it. Again, get your tape. Go to the corner of your bag and tape it up under the bottom. Go to the corner of the other side. Tape it under the bottom. And let out as much air as you possibly can, okay? That's going to help the bag conform around the items if you get as much air out as possible. And I hope you guys are able to hear me with all this rattling of the bag. And I use a regular hand blow dryer. If you have a heat gun, fine. If you don't have the money or you just don't want to invest in it, a regular hair dryer is fine. But make sure you put it on high. You start at the bottom. All the way around. And just work your way up. Slow and steady. Not too slow because you don't want to burn a hole in your bag. These bags can be very sensitive. I know one of the questions that's going to come in the comments, where did you get the shrink wrap bags? And for now, guys, all I can tell you is to get on the internet and just search, okay? I will be looking into getting you all the contact information where I get my bags from, but I need to speak with the owner of the business first to make sure they will be able to accommodate my YouTube crowd, okay? So we're going to come in. You see the bag, unbasket. The platter is nice and firm. And you judge this according to how much you want left up here. And I'm going to cut that off to my desired look. Okay. I'm going to cut just a pinch more off. And now what we're going to do is put a bow. You can use whatever type bow you want to use. I suggest if you do not know how to make bows, that you learn how to make them. I have videos as well on bow making, because this is going to be a game changer for your baskets. If you want to charge what you're worth and charge what your basket is worth, you're going to have to put some time and attention into details. And a bow is one of the details that you need to make sure that you're paying attention to. It's going to give your gift basket a whole nother appeal, okay? So make sure, I'm not going to spend a lot of time showing about the bow making because it's a whole nother video. But you simply just grab it. And if it's not a two-sided ribbon, you're going to have to twist it so that each side will have the print on the outside, okay? Twist it. Each time you get to the middle section, you're just going to twist it around. You're going to pinch and twist like that. Just pinch and twist, okay? And this bow, we're not going to do too many loops because this is for a man. If it was for a woman, we'd be doing a bigger bow. But a man don't want no big, fluffy, fancy bow. Most of them anyway, okay? Okay, and I like, you can just cut it even if you like. I like the ducktail my ribbons, which means you just go at an angle and cut to the outer corner. And it's going to give it a fanned or ducktail look. Going to do the same thing for this side. And like I said, because it's a man's basket, I do not make the tails or the bow that big. You can do it however you like. And there are some simpler ways to make bows as well if you're not advanced to start making them this way. I do have a simpler version of how to make bows on my channel as well. But here you have a completed Valentine's look, and you can stick a styrofoam heart, which I have some, by the way. You can stick a styrofoam heart right out the top so that it will give it more of a Valentine's appeal, and it'll match the little red truck with the hearts on the top, okay? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, this is a cute little basket to sell, of course, which I love to do. Or if you don't want to sell, this is a cute little gift basket that you can make for the man in your life, okay? All right, guys, have a great and amazing day. Remember to give the video a thumbs up.